there, Legends of Lego here. Today we've got part 1 of our city, or the first update to our city. If you saw the first video, you'll understand what all of this is. I've probably gone over the entire city, but there are some new features in our city, and we're going to go over that today. Starting off here, I customized the police station and moved the Lego store back, making it just putting the prison on top and having a new part there. Here's a look at that from the front. Another small, well, not small detail is this construction site. I've started construction on this building and waiting for another building to place in there and move that over to there. We have a small elevator with a guy on that. Very small thing here, we have the rocket amusement ride thing, and we have the car garage put in. And let's go over to the other. So along here, we have a train station as well as the track is being extended. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this area. Comment down below if I missed anything. And I'll be back in a sec. So last thing I want to mention, for part 2, we'll have more construction going on. We'll have a review on that, or we'll have a separate video on that. And I'm thinking of starting construction on the beach. So stay tuned for that. Peace.